Have you ever played tanks? No, not these. And not these. I mean this one from the 90s. Did you know that the mechanics of such a game can be programmed in Python using Pygame? From the beginning, we will need tank sprites, body, head and bullet. I drew them in Photoshop, but you can find them on the internet. Next, I import all the libraries and create a Pygame window. I create a tank class in which I prescribe the main methods such as init, draw, moving, head rotation and shot. Now I create an assets folder where I paste the tank sprites. I create an object of the tank class. I also call it a tank. I pass its x and y coordinates, the body direction vector, the head direction vector, and the paths to the sprites. Next, I process keyboard clicks. I will use the W, S, A and D buttons like in other games. Let us go back to the draw function. I write the drawing of the body depending on the received vector. I fix errors in the code and run the file. Let us change the background to something nicer. Cool. The body sprite is drawn, but it does not move. I need to write a movement function. Here I will change the x and y coordinates of the tank depending on the vector. Works. I put the speed down. Now the body of the tank moves normally. I am going to draw the head. The code will be similar. Okay. I add a tank head rotation. It will rotate in 4 directions by pressing the arrows. Check. Excellent. The first part is ready. Now I decided to add the ability to shoot to the tank. But first, let us enlarge our game window a bit. In order for the tank to shoot, we need to add a reload, an array with projectiles, as well as a bullet range. I am creating a new bullet class in which I will write the flight and collision mechanics of the bullet. Now let us return to the previously prepared shot method of the tank class. If the cooldown has passed, I create a new bullet object, which I pass the current position of the head multiplied by the vector, speed and path to the sprite. It remains to add a click on the button. For the shot, I chose the spacebar. A few changes and you're redone. Now the tank can drive, turn its head and shoot. Here you can already have some fun with the arguments. For example, you can put a tank on a very fast reload, then its cannon will look like a machine gun. If you liked the video and want the second part, where I will add obstacles or a multiplayer, write about it in the comments and subscribe. You are on the Artisat channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.